What's up everybody, Eric Rodgers here from Extreme Fitness, and today I'm going to be doing a product review on Cellucor's Cor-Perfmance Whey. The flavor today is mint chocolate chip, so stick around. Just some of the things that I like about the Cor-Perfmance Whey is per 34 grams, which is 1 scoop, you're going to be getting 25 grams of protein. Calories are only 120, and also has up to 5.5 grams of branched chain amino acids as well as digestive enzymes. All right, we're going to be moving on to mixability. I know a lot of you want to know about that, which I don't have any clumps whatsoever when I use it with my shaker cup, my blender bottle. So let's move on. Very smooth. Let's open this up. No clumps. Very smooth. It has the chocolate flavor. You can most definitely smell the chocolate, and you can also smell the mint. I love it. Do a taste test. Mind you, I did mix this with water. It's fantastic. Like the mint flavor does not overpower the chocolate whatsoever. And you do get that hint of chocolate, which from what I could see, there's like little bitty pieces of chocolate in here. You know, it kind of reminds me of a York peppermint patty in a way, or kind of like the Andes mints or mint chocolates that you get from Olive Garden. Really, really tasty. Tastes really great. I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10. If you're interested in getting this product, head over to www.cellucor.com. Use promo code EXTREMEFITNESS to save 20% on your order. And be sure to register on the website. That way you'll be able to receive free shipping with all of your orders. Like always, be sure to keep it real, keep it honest, and God bless.